So I'm going to try and make a mummy kind of on the top. I'm going to extrude just some links and then kind of overlay it, and we'll see what happens. I have cute ghosts inside, so even if the top isn't perfect, I still think it's a fun soap. This soap dough is glow in the dark, which when I tested it with a soap I made, like just the ghost in bed, it didn't really glow. I mean, it did, but it didn't, so I wasn't overly impressed. I used the amount that they basically said, and I didn't add any like titanium dioxide or anything that you're not supposed to do. So I'm not sure quite why. I'll test it again once, like I said, get everything on, and now that it's in soap, and see how it looks and see if it glows. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world, but I really wanted it too, and that mica is expensive. Glow in the dark stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to extrude some lengths. I have some distilled water, and I'm just gonna play. I mean, I wish I'd put the eyes a little further down, but that's okay. So like, I can fold that over. Just trim that off. And we'll make it work. I think it will be cute when it's all said and done. I'm only extruding small bits at a time, so it doesn't get too dried out, and like you can already see it when I bend it. If I push too hard, I'm breaking it a little bit. So hopefully this way it will all remain fresh. So I'm just gonna do some crisscross patterns. Basically, I'm just randomly So it's a mummy with ghosts insides. That's cute, right? I think it's fun. I'll take it. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically play around and do the rest of them like that, and just alternating patterns and have some fun. So I'll kind of speed this up, but I'll record a little bit more as I go so you can see some more come to life. And yeah, let's see what I get.